Hello again. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking to the skies to uncover some of the most mind-blowing facts about aircraft. You might think you know a thing or two about planes, but some of these things may surprise you. So buckle up and let's get started. First up, have you ever noticed the tiny hole in your airplane window? It's a bleed hole, and it's a crucial safety feature. The window is made of 3 panes. The bleed hole is in the middle pane, and its job is to regulate the immense pressure difference between the cabin and the outside air at high altitudes. It ensures the outer pane takes most of the pressure, leaving the inner pane as a failsafe. So next time you see it, give a little nod of appreciation to that tiny hole for keeping you safe. Let's talk about lightning. It's a common fear, but did you know that commercial airplanes are designed to be struck by lightning? On average, every plane in the commercial fleet gets hit about once a year. Modern aircraft have a conductive mesh, usually made of copper or aluminum, built into their skin. This mesh acts like a Faraday cage, allowing the electrical charge from a lightning strike flow through the exterior of the plane and exit without harming the passengers, crew, or electronics inside. It's a shocking fact, but true. Ever wonder why airplane food tastes so bland? It's not always the chef's fault. When you're cruising at 35,000 feet, the combination of low humidity and low cabin pressure desensitizes your taste buds. In fact, your ability to perceive saltiness and sweetness can drop by up to 30%. Airlines know this, so they often add extra salt and spices to their meals to compensate. So, the food isn't necessarily bad. Your sense of taste is just on a little vacation. Here's a big one. The world's largest passenger plane, the Airbus A380, is an absolute giant. Its wingspan is longer than the entire aircraft itself, nearly 80 meters wide. To give you some perspective, you could line up about 20 cars on each wing. The sheer amount of wiring inside an A380 is also staggering. If you were to lay it all out end to end, it would stretch over 500 kilometers. That's like running a wire from London to Paris. And what about speed? We all know planes are fast, but the fastest air-breathing, jet-powered aircraft ever built was the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. This incredible machine could fly at more than Mach 3. That's over 3 times the speed of sound, or around 3,500 kilometers per hour. You could travel from New York to Los Angeles in just over an hour at that speed. It flew so fast and so high that the air friction would heat its outer skin to hundreds of degrees, causing the metal to expand. Because of this, it was actually designed to leak fuel on the ground, only sealing up once it reached its blistering operational speeds. Finally, let's talk about the wings, something you see every time you fly. Most modern wings have those upward curving ends called winglets. They reduce a type of drag called induced drag, which is created by the swirling vortices of air at the wingtips. By smoothing out this airflow, winglets make the plane more fuel efficient, saving airlines millions of dollars a year and reducing the environmental impact of flying. It's a small design change with a massive effect. It's amazing how much science and engineering goes into making air travel one of the safest and most incredible feats of human ingenuity. If you learned something new today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.